Hey guys, it's me Aiden and I'm back here with another unboxing, and today we have more Lego Advent Calendar. So before we start opening, I just have a few things to say. And one, my hockey team, the Markham Islanders Single A, have just won our 4th game in a row. So with that out of the way, let's get unboxing. So yeah, if you haven't checked out my past few Lego Advent Calendar openings, be sure to go check that out. And I'll show you. Yesterday I opened a lot because I had to catch up, so there are too many to show all at once, so I'll show you a few. So this is one of them, and it's Rowan from the Freemaker Adventures. And if you notice, his lightsaber is different from other lightsabers because it's actually shiny, and on the back here he has this symbol. And one more, I'll show this one. It's like a snowmobile of some sort. And then this part can move around, up and down, and it can fire. Without further ado, let's get started. So today, I'll be opening 12 and 13, as I forgot yesterday's, because I've been too busy. And oh, I got another ship. And if you don't remember from yesterday, I said I am opening the Lego Star Wars Lego Advent Calendar, so that's why I'm getting so many like ships and stuff. So yeah. Start with this piece. And if you were wondering, I have a cold, so that's why I don't sound like I always do. So far, I haven't been able to track down what too many of these ships are from. I think on day 1 I got a ship from Han Solo, the Solo Star Wars movie story, and yeah, I've just gotten completely different things. So I'm not sure what type of ship this is yet, but I think I'll find out. So I'll just keep building until I do find out. It's another yellow and gray ship, just like this ship, which I built yesterday. This ship that I'm building now has same colors, not the same style though. They might be from different movies. They might be from the same movie. I'm not too sure, but I'll find out. There are also different types of advent calendars, like there's, of course, all you guys know there's chocolate ones. And then there are also these ones, the Lego ones, for all those Lego fans out there. Let's see. And then slide this in there. Just finishing up on this one, I'm almost done. And there. So this is what the ship looks like. This one may be from The Last Jedi. I'm not too sure. I think it might be from The Last Jedi. So let's move on to number 13. Another ship, but this one has more pieces. Let's see, start with this piece. I'm not sure what this ship is from yet. I'll search it once I'm more completed in this build. Maybe I'll find out what it is, maybe not. I'm not too sure. Oh yeah, maybe you play hockey too, and if you do, text in the comments down below. Maybe you play a different sport. Who knows? Yeah, the ship I'm building appears to be pretty big, so this could take a while. There are a lot of pieces, but I don't think they're all going to be used. I get a ton of extra pieces in these little sets. So here we go. Dark one. This piece goes down like that, and then I'm gonna build the sides. And today is currently Thursday, the 13th of December, so the countdown to Christmas is getting pretty close. And stores are starting to get more sold out, maybe getting new stock soon. But yeah, it's getting pretty full. Nope, I did something wrong. Yeah, I definitely did something wrong here. Almost. Yeah, I think I fixed it. And oops. And I'm done. I may have done it wrong, but I know this is similar to it, so. So that was my unboxing video, and these are the two ships I've built today. And we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.